Hello, this is Mr. Huff, and let's talk about this week a little bit. First thing, instead of having a little assignment due every day, you are going to report what you've done for my class on this day. So I have this little form. I have some prompts for you to consider. You choose one of those, and in about 25 words, you tell me what you've done for my class today, and you need to do this every day. This is what I'm going to use to track attendance more so than Canvas activity. So if I'm looking to see if you've been participating in my class, I'm going to start with this form. There will be a link for every day on the agenda in Canvas. So look for this. Also, you would check aerospace. If you're using this for more than one class, just check aerospace and civil. So that is the daily report. What I've decided to do is use this one activity for everything you do this week, so you have more flexibility to manage your time and to divide up the work the way that you see fit, especially in a virtual environment. I think this will be helpful for you guys. So let's just walk through this assignment overall. You're going to be working through this activity in my PLTW. There are some PowerPoints that you're supposed to download and read. However, PowerPoint is probably broken on your computer. I have these two resources here that are handouts of those PowerPoints, including speaker notes. You actually need to read them to make sure you're getting the right vocabulary and terminology and understanding the importance and implications of the ideas. Also, there are some videos provided in the curriculum. You should probably watch a couple of those as well. It's about manufacturing processes. All right, for tracking your work in this assignment, I have prepared a digital notebook for you to use. So you're going to click this link, force a copy of that notebook, and use that to record your responses. Also note that I have required some additional information in some places. I've also omitted some of the table content because I didn't like what they were having you write. It'll look a bit like this. Put your name and date here when you start working, and then go through and follow the instructions. One of the things about this assignment, you're going to be using the PBS Forces Lab, and it's written in Flash. So you'll need to click on this link up here in your Chrome browser. You may have to use Safari. I don't know. We'll see. But click on the link here and then go to Site Settings. If it doesn't show Flash here, click on Site Settings and allow Flash. And hopefully this will work. Flash is going away in Chrome, but I don't think they've killed it yet. It worked on my computer. All right. There's a text version of the lab if you can't get Flash to work, but it's not near as meaningful. So it's good if you can get Flash working and go through the little animations. All right. These are vocabulary terms. Put the term here, put the definition in your own words here, give me two examples of how this affects aircrafts, and put a picture that helps us understand what we mean by squeezing or compression. So there are a few slides for you to do here. You'll see things like this. In this one, you're comparing aluminum and steel, so you can use qualitative or quantitative values. I think most of it's qualitative. I also have you look up the densities. Also going to have you do some cost analysis from Home Depot. Answer these two questions. Let me talk about answering questions. I think I also put this over here. I want you to write complete sentences that stand on their own without the question. If you put yes because walls are stronger, that's not a complete sentence or a complete answer in my opinion. It needs to stand alone without the question. And it also think about if you make a claim, you need to support it with evidence or observations. Give me something about why you say that. Don't just say steel is better than aluminum. You need to support that with something. So you'll go through this slide deck and fill in all these boxes. At the very end are some conclusion questions. So it's 23 slides long. I'll let you decide how you're going to divide this work. Let's look at things I'll be grading. So one thing I'm going to be looking at is your data collection and analysis. Looking for complete tables, looking for the right numbers in the right places, looking for reasonable calculations, that sort of thing. For your written responses, I'm looking at the quality of your communication and how you're handling the concepts and demonstrating that you understand that. And then I will do a major grade for this activity overall. So that we're looking at 3 grades for this one assignment. Take your time, do a good job. It does have a hard deadline by the end of the week, so get it done this week. Don't blow it off and try to do it all in one day and then turn in junk, and don't blow it off and try to turn it in late. It's better to get things done. I'm going to let you guys manage your time and get things done. Let me know if you have any questions.